and make those commercially made caramel apples sound even more appealing. Here's the enhanced version. Hey there apple lovers, so harvest time is in full swing out in those beautiful apple orchards. Now hold on a second. Before you picture those perfectly imperfect, straight from the tree apples, let's talk about those gorgeous store-bought caramel delights. I know, you might be thinking, who buys those? But trust me on this one, because the journey these apples take is actually pretty fascinating. Let's give our commercial caramel apple makers a chance to shine, shall we? Because the way they get those apples off the trees is something you don't see every day. It's like a little bit of orchard magic meets modern ingenuity. First up, meet the mechanical tree shaker. This amazing machine does exactly what it says on the tin. It gives the tree trunk a gentle but firm hug with a powerful clamp and then, whoosh, a rapid, controlled shake. And just like that, in a matter of seconds, hundreds of beautiful apples shower down like a delightful fruit rain, landing on the ground with a soft thump thump thump. Talk about an efficient harvest. Then, these freshly picked beauties are carefully loaded into large bins on trucks, stacked with care to avoid any little bumps or bruises. Now once they arrive at the factory, it might seem a little surprising, but they get a refreshing bath. They're gently dunked in water to get them nice and clean. Next, as the apples roll onto a conveyor belt, they get a spa treatment courtesy of some soft, rotating bristle brushes. These aren't just for extra cleaning though. They actually help remove the natural wax that apples produce to keep themselves protected while they're growing on the tree. While that natural wax is fantastic for keeping the apples fresh in the orchard, it can be a bit of a challenge when it comes to getting that perfect caramel coating to stick. So off it goes. After their gentle scrub, the apples go through a high-powered drying system, ensuring they're perfectly ready for the next step. Only the cream of the crop, the very best apples, make it past the sorting stage. And now, they head over to the station, where they get their signature wooden sticks. Ever wondered why the stick is always right in the center of a caramel apple? Well, here's the secret. They pass through a clever machine that lines them up stem side up, ensuring that every stick goes in just right. No random poking here. And those sticks themselves, they're usually made from smooth and sturdy birch or bamboo, the perfect handle for our delicious treat. Now let's talk about the star of the show, that thick, velvety caramel sauce. Oh my goodness, that perfect balance of deep buttery richness and that satisfying chewiness, it's pure magic on your tongue as it melts and clings to that crisp apple underneath. Seriously, it's a flavor explosion. If you've ever had the chance to watch caramel apples being coated, you know it's a truly mesmerizing process. It's the kind of thing you could honestly just watch for ages. Then, one by one, the apples take a dip into that warm, luscious caramel bath. The moment they make contact, the caramel ripples, and then slowly, oh so slowly, it wraps itself around the apple like a thick, glossy, irresistible blanket. And just when you think they couldn't get any better, they get a sprinkle of crunchy goodness. Freshly coated in caramel, they often take a roll in chopped nuts, adding that perfect textural contrast. Now to keep these beauties fresh and prevent any sticky situations, they get their own special packaging. Each single apple is carefully wrapped in a clear plastic shell. Perfectly shaped like an apple. This keeps them looking as tempting as they taste. And for the little ones, well, they get extra special treatment. Often, these caramel apples are coated with colorful chocolate chips, fun Smarties, and other yummy treats, so the kids can have their own candy-coated caramel apple adventure. So after seeing the care and precision that goes into making these commercially produced caramel apples, I bet you'll never look at them the same way again. It's all about bringing a little bit of sweet autumnal joy right to our fingertips. And just like that, you might even find yourself reaching for one next time you're at the store. Who knows? You might just discover your new favorite treat.